day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read passages to improve reading fluency and comprehension. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell button so that you'll get notified for my next video upload. So are you ready? Let us start. Okay, we'll read it together. Bam and Tagbi. Bam is sad. Where is Tagbi? Where is my pet dog? I want to play with him. He is not in the room. Arf, arf. Where are you, Tagbi? Oh, you are in the garden. Okay, let's read it again. Bam and Tagbi. Bam is sad. Where is Tagbi? Where is my pet dog? I want to play with him. He is not in the room. Arf, arf. Where are you, Tagbi? Oh, you are in the garden. Okay, this time I want you to read it alone. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the questions. Have number 1. Who is Tagbi? Who is Tagbi? Is it A, the pet dog of Bam, B, the brother of Bam, or C, the classmate of Bam? Who is Tagbi? Is it A, the pet dog of Bam, B, the brother of Bam, or C, the classmate of Bam? Okay, very good. The pet dog of Bam. Next, let's have number 2. Where did Bam first look for Tagbi? Where did Bam first look for Tagbi? Is it A, in the room, B, in the kitchen, or C, in the garden? Is it A, in the room, B, in the kitchen, or C, in the garden? Okay, very good. He looks first in the room. Now let's have number 3. Why did Bam look for Tagbi? Why did Bam look for Tagbi? Is it A, he wants to feed Tagbi, B, he wants to play with Tagbi, or C, he wants to give Tagbi a bath? Is it A, he wants to feed Tagbi, B, he wants to play with Tagbi, or C, he wants to give Tagbi a bath? Okay, very good. He wants to play with Tagbi. Okay, next, number 4. Where did Bam find Tagbi? Where did Bam find Tagbi? Is it A, in the hut, B, in the garden, or C, under the bed? Is it A, in the hut, B, in the garden, or C, under the bed? Okay, very good. In the garden. Okay, number 5. What did Bam feel when he cannot find Tagbi? What did Bam feel when he cannot find Tagbi? Is it A, sad, B, mad, or C, glad? Is it A, sad, B, mad, or C, glad? Okay, very good. He was sad. Okay, that's all for this lesson, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. So thank you and God bless, but please don't forget to follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi, and please Join our Facebook group, Grade 1 Sinubuan ng Binise. There you can get instructional materials, reading materials, video lessons that are very essential for learning. So thank you and God bless.